What's up, DB gang 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 gang? So I'm back with another one, of course. This time I'm going to be reviewing the Lottabody milk with honey products that I got in my June Curlkit box, and I'm also going to be doing a It Works Hair, Skin, and Nails 1 month update. So if you ladies want to hear about these products and find out the update on my hair, stay tuned for the video. First thing I'm going to be reviewing is the It Works Hair, Skin, and Nail vitamins. And I did take these vitamins for 30 days, so full month supply. They're all gone. These vitamins, I really don't have much to say about them. I didn't experience any type of breakouts. I don't know if that's because I drink a lot of water. Like, if you ladies watch my mukbang video, y'all see the container of how much water I drink. I drink a lot of water, so I don't know if that helped with me not getting any acne. My nails didn't really grow. I'm not a nail grower, so I don't grow my natural nails. Like, they just don't grow for some reason. I don't know why. They just don't grow, so I didn't see any progress in my nails. I can honestly say, like, my skin does seem a lot more clearer, but like I said, I don't know if that's due to me drinking a lot of water. As far as my hair, y'all, I did see amazing growth in my hair. I did not do a length check, meaning I did not straighten my hair for the first month. All I did was I took a before picture and I blew my hair out. So this is how my hair looks. I believe this picture was taken either a couple of days in me taking these vitamins, or it was before I started taking these vitamins, and it looks like this. And this is a picture of me after taking these vitamins for a full month, and I blew out my hair, and it looks like this. Y'all, I could really tell the difference in my hair. Like, my hair has really grown significantly. Like, if you look at the before picture and the after picture, you can tell that my hair strands have really thickened up, and my hair is really thick from roots to end. And as far as how these vitamins taste, for some reason when I take these vitamins, they have like this minty taste in my mouth when I go to take them. I don't know if anybody ever experienced that while taking the It Works Hair, Skin, Nail vitamins, but that's how they taste for me. They're not hard to swallow at all. Like I said, I do drink a lot of water taking these vitamins. I didn't experience any nausea, any vomiting, any upset stomach, nothing to that nature, so that was good. But overall, I'm really excited. I already received my second month's supply of the hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I didn't take them yet. They're still in the pack and everything. So I'm super excited to see how much my hair grows for the second month. Now let's jump into the review of the So in my June Curlkit box, if y'all didn't see that video, I'm gonna leave it up top so you ladies can definitely check it out. The first item I'm going to review from the Lottabody line is the Lottabody Coconut and Shea Oil Hydrate Me Deep Conditioner, and it looks like this. Hopefully my ring light is not too bright and you guys can see this, but it looks like this. This is the deep conditioner packet, sample packet. I was honestly concerned that this would not be enough for my hair, but surprisingly this was enough. This one little sample packet was enough. When I put this stuff in my hair, I was so amazed how my hair felt. What I like about this deep conditioner is, one, it smells really good. Two, it's super thick. It's super thick and creamy. The next thing will be when I apply this to my hair. This stuff melted in my hair and it felt super soft. It felt like butter. It had my hair smelling so good. It coated my strands from roots to end. My hair was super fine once I added this stuff to my hair. I do have a lot of slip, and I have to honestly say, like, I've been using the same deep conditioner for years, but I have to honestly say this is the type of conditioner that I would definitely go out and buy. Now, my only concern is I'm not too sure if it comes in like a bigger container or if it's just come in these little samples. If it don't come in the big container and it just come in these little samples, then I guess that's not too bad, because only one was enough for my hair. So I'm gonna just check my beauty supply store, and if they just have the samples, I'll just go out and get 4. I'm deep conditioning my hair 4 times a month, and I could always switch out this conditioner and rotate it with the other conditioner that I'm currently using. So I have to say this deep conditioner will be going into my favorite stash. I do love this deep conditioner, and honestly, when I think of Lottabody, only thing I think about is like they setting lotion. I did not know Lottabody had other products to their line, so I was really excited to try these products out. My next product I am going to review is the Restore Me Cream Shampoo, and it looks like this. And this shampoo is 10.1 fluid ounces. Y'all know I do not use shampoo often. I only use shampoo once a month to wash my hair. Now this shampoo, it does cleanse the scalp. It did not leave my hair feeling stripped. It cleansed the scalp, but it also put the moisture back in. And for this to be a shampoo, I was really surprised how soft and manageable my hair felt after rinsing this shampoo out. I really wasn't expecting too much from this because it is a shampoo, but I was really shocked once I put this shampoo in my hair. It did lather up really quick, so that's what I like, and it smells amazing. Now with this shampoo, a little bit goes a long way. So this shampoo will be another one of my favorite items that I put in my shampoo collection. So let's jump into the conditioner. So this is the Lottabody Milk with Honey Restore Me Cream Conditioner. Now this conditioner is really thick. It's really creamy. One, I like the fact that it has like this squeezed top, so it makes applying the application very easy to my hair. This item is a 10.1 fluid ounce bottle. Like all the other products, this really smells amazing. It gave my hair a great slip. I did let this sit in my hair for about 5 minutes to give it like a little treatment, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt super soft, super amazing, and it felt like butter. Like, you ladies have to go out and try this Lottabody Milk with Honey line. These products are so amazing. Like, I would have never thought, I would have never looked at these products ever. Lottabody really did their thing with this line. So the next and the last thing that I will be reviewing is the Lottabody Milk with Honey Moisturize Me Leave-In Conditioner. And I love the fact that it has a pump. This conditioner is very creamy, like the rest. It's very creamy, it's very thick. It gives my hair great slip, and like I said, I did not even need a comb to detangle my hair at all. Detangling my hair was super easy. It was super easy and super fast, y'all. I kid y'all not. Like, my hair really loved these products, and I'm definitely glad that I got these products in my June Curlkit box. This product came in a 8 fluid ounce bottle. I would have to say this leave-in conditioner will be another add to my favorite list. This leave-in conditioner really locked in the moisture in my hair. I'm super excited that I was able to try all 4 of these items out. You guys definitely check out your local beauty supply store. I'm not too sure if they will sell these items in Target, but definitely try checking Target or Walmart and also Amazon to see if they have ever tried out these Lottabody products. Definitely leave it down below in the comment section and let me know how these products work for you. I'm super excited to be having these products in my hair stash, and if I run out, I will be checking my local beauty supply store for more. But that's going to be it for now. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also check out my Facebook page so we can stay connected, and y'all can always contact me, ask me anything, and we can always chit chat. I will leave the link down below in the description box. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.